What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how I use gamma exposure because I've been getting a lot of questions about them. So off rip, I use end of day levels with MenthorQ. MenthorQ is an amazing tool. I use them also to see the gamma condition for the day. And going into today, why did I take this long? Something that I sent out into the free Discord was good morning, overall bullish bias today, positive gamma. I think that we will respect the 1 day min and range. So this is what I sent out. And let me just show you guys real quick what happened. Pretty much the same exact thing. So how did I know that that was what was going to happen? How did I know that that was my idea coming into the day? Pretty much, we were at 1 day min. At open, we shot down. And when we shot down, we saw a lot of absorption there. So I took a long. Not only did we see absorption, but it was at a level of interest for me. That was enough confirmation. We were below the -1 deviation band, 2 on the VWAP. So I took it. A lot of stack confirmation. We got that absorption I was looking for. Bang, easy long. So that was off of the 1 day min too. And that's kind of the context that I use my gamma exposure to with, or that's how I use it. It's pretty much we're looking at what ranges we're wanting to trade. If we're in a positive gamma, then we're most likely going to be respecting these levels like this GX4, gamma exposure 4, this top tick. And it makes a lot of sense that it did because, again, we're in a positive gamma condition today. So seeing that, we're also above VWAP. We're at a level of interest for me. This is a perfect entry. Right here, this was a perfect short. A lot of my students took this exact short because there's all of the confluence is stacked up. And we can also see on the 1 minute, we have aggressive buyers here, but they are not being respected. Not only that, we see that we have aggressive sellers coming in right after. So if you wanted to wait, you want to see us flip order flow, then there you go. That's way more useful than your IFEGs. Um, and yeah, I mean that's kind of how I'm using it. I'm using it as context more than anything. I'm not looking exactly for an entry off of GX levels or anything to do with with that. It's context. It's levels of interest. It's a lot of data that makes sense to include into your trading. Now, they're great targets. They're great places to base a lot of data from, but you need to have it aligned with your overall trade idea and your context and everything like that, because there are people that say, oh, they don't work when it's outside, when it's end of day or whatever. Like, they're always going to work if it's aligned with other stuff, gives you context. If you see a gamma exposure level that's in an area where it's most likely going to get ran through, then yeah, use context, use a little bit of discretion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I use them. Pretty good day today for me. And yeah, I mean, this was an account that I passed yesterday, so super easy. Connected it to my other accounts. This short, I did take on some alpha or on some Apex accounts, which I'm working on getting funded, which are funded because of that trade. I made 3K on that trade. Then on this one, I sent it out to my students, so some of them did take it. And yeah, same idea, pretty much for every single trade here. Um, we're delivering from the gamma exposure 4, and yeah, I mean, we see the levels here. It's super easy to make a framework with that. Obviously, if we're in the 1 day min, we're going to close above it most of the time. So I use it. It is a short video, so I don't know exactly what else I could go over. More than anything, just wait for absorption when we hit a level like that, and use it as confirmation. Use it as kind of like it giving you an idea of where we're gonna want to trade from and to. So yeah, I mean, short video, but I feel like it's a pretty easy explanation. At least how I use it is, it is a pretty complicated subject, which I do get into a little bit more with my students, but that's the idea there. So yeah, I do have a free community if you guys want to join. The link is in the description. Use my code on Lucid Tenacity. Like I said in my previous video, Tenacity is a great firm that you guys should probably try. It's a newer firm, but I love it. It's, you know, you buy an instant funded in one day and bang, I mean you get a payout. But Lucid's another one of my favorites. I'd give you guys some code here on Topset, but I can't. I don't have. You know how it is. And yeah, if you guys want to do that, go ahead. Also, I have a raffle right now. I forgot I have a giveaway. If you enter in by buying my either Lucid accounts or Alpha accounts, then you're submitted, and I'm gonna be giving away 3 accounts of each. So yeah, enjoy.